So since we've had the new exhaust put in, went for an MOT and it failed on emissions. Nothing else. There's a couple of advisories, but we've sort of sorted them out. ABS light, which is gone, and what else was it? It was a lambda sensor, so that's been replaced. So now we're having it put on the ramps and the straight pipes taken out, and then the cats put back in to replace them. So at the moment the valved exhaust is open, so it sounds pretty fruity. Give it a rev, Aid! Yeah! But yeah, to pass the MOT we need to get those emissions down, so the OEM cats are going back in. But the main reason I changed the exhaust is because of the back boxes, because someone had done a gundo hack, and well, the connecting pipes had rusted out. Yeah, so it was just loud all the time, but now I've got a ported back boxes. Sounds better, and you can make it quiet or loud. But yeah, those emissions, even with some emission reducer liquid poured in and a low tank of high octane fuel, it was still struggling to pass that emissions test. So now with the cats put on, hopefully we'll send it for an MOT and it should just go through. So stage one is open the boot and disconnect the lambda sensors, which are located down here, 2, and down there, 2. So probably remove the airbox first. But we've got the cats. Lucky I didn't dispose of them when I put the new exhaust on. We've just got to take out the last lambda sensor, which is broken. I had listed them on eBay, but luckily I didn't sell them, so I ended the listing when I found out that I needed them. So here we're heating up the lip to hopefully expand it and bring it away from the lambda sensor, and then we can put some lubricant around the side. That's a bit having a crayon actually to use, so hopefully it'll come out nice. So the lambda sensor's stuck. We've heated it right up, squirted some WD on it, and then also just chopped the top off it so we can get an impact onto there. So hopefully that'll come off. No crayons to put on the thread to melt down to make it, to lubricate it. How's the thread?
Not too bad.
It's not too bad, no. And it's hot. Don't touch that. My thread's looking okay.
Yeah, don't look too bad.
Okay. Cleaning the thread.
Got your thread cutter right there.
Got some spray grease on there, lubricating it before we put the new lambda sensor in. So the lambda sensor plugs are here and here. If we remove them first, then we should be able to drop those sections of pipe out that are straight piped. Get those cats in, reduce the emissions, and then take it for an MOT. So due to a diameter difference in the pipes, what we've had to do is cut the stainless pipe and then push in the cats that have been trimmed down and then weld them on. It wasn't just tack weld, we went all the way round. There you go, that's the join between the larger diameter exhaust onto the cats. We've got a bit of OEM rusty steel and a bit of aftermarket stainless steel. And there's the other cat there, and then there's the weld joining on, crossing over. It was a bit of a tight fit, does fit. And well, needs must to get the MOT passed to pass that emissions test.
Window.
And these
Right.
are the off-cut parts. And then welded the new bits on.
Yeah.
And that's the excess, is it?
Yeah, that's the old bits. And I had to cut off that much on one and that much on the other
Bloody hell.
because I couldn't get them back up in the fucking
yeah.
pipe right.
Oh, because the diameter of the pipe
It's totally different.
is totally different. Anyway, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to follow this playlist and see what we do, especially with this long road trip we've got planned to go to Prague via Italy on the Motorscape Rally. Other videos are available in the playlist. Just hit the like, subscribe and the bell button, and then you can follow our progress. Bye!